Hey everyone, how's it going? Got my wonderful Alien 3D UFO box. It actually came the other day, but I couldn't get it out of the mailbox because the mailman decided he was smarter than I was and took the box and stuffed it in our mailbox. Well, there's just enough room for it to get in the mailbox from the back because there's no frame around each of the holders in the mailbox. But on the front of the mailbox, where I have to get my package out from, you know, there's a frame around it because you got to have a key to open it and everything, and that frame prevented me from getting the box out. So I had to leave a little note to our mailman and say, please be kind enough to take that box, put it on my front porch so that I can get it, because I cannot remove it from the mailbox the way you put it. So I got it delivered finally yesterday. Said I'd wait, do the opening today, show everybody what came inside. And we'll go from there. So you notice I got two cameras set up. I have my desktop on my computer showing a little bit on the bottom just to fill the black space rather than have black space at the bottom of the screen. So here we are. Here's the box. Get my knife out so I can cut the tape at the bottom here. So we'll get this tape. We'll cut it. And we'll get the box open here. And we'll see how it goes here. So, get the box open here. I'm going to move the other webcam and get a little bit closer here so you can kind of see from a different angle than the lower one here. We'll see if we can get it a little bit better anyway. So first off, we have a little, it looks like a comic book of some kind. It says Old School Monsters. So I meant it's supposed to be old. The D is hidden by the head of the monster on the front cover, who's carrying a wolf or a fox or a cat or something in his arm. There's zombies, wolfman, Dracula, creature, mummy, gargoyle, and this little man, Frankenstein. I guess it's just like little drawings inside and little stories about each of them inside. So that's the first thing. It was like a ghoul or something on the back, like a vampire because of the way his teeth are looking. And so that's the first thing's inside. Next thing inside, it says, it's from a note from Alien D3. It says, I have so many apologies for this month. I hope you all will forgive me. Parts being late, not having the giant alien done in time, brochures getting lost while I was at Murph because Mama Alien decided to organize while I was gone. UFOs being sent out late. It's a rough month, but I'm really trying my best. And I'm working on getting better. Thank you all for giving me a chance to bring a great product. There are really some cool things coming. The support you have shown me. So thank you for all the support you have shown me. At Print the World, Josh at Alien 3D. So that's a little message from Josh. You can read it if you wish. Let's see, I'll put it up here closer. Hard for me to tell which way you hold it. So that way you can read it at your leisure if you want. So that's that. Next thing is there's something here. I can't tell if it's like a servo motor or it's a pump. Looks like a little water pump or something like that. Or maybe an air pump. So it looks like a little pump. Plugs into a USB port. Can't really tell what it's supposed to be. Oh, it says right there, brushless DC pump. So little pump here for something. Looks like some 3D cleaning filament, so you can clean your nozzles and stuff. It's 1.75 millimeter, 50 pieces of it. From 3D Fuel. That's always nice to have some nice filament for cleaning your nozzles and stuff out. See, we got a little sticker from some guy. I don't know who he is. Just kidding. I know it is JT. Yay, JT. Thank you for providing those. You probably gave them to Alien at Murph. So, little sticker there of JT, which I can add to my board on the wall up there. You can't. It's kind of hard to see. There's like a calendar up there. Back over there. That thing. There's all kinds of stickers on it, but also has another thing pasted over top of it, which is another magnetic sticker, which is a temperature guide for cooking and smoking meats. Let's see, then we got a sample here from Filament 1. Pro Select POA Aqua So it gives you the extrusion temperatures, or their predicted extrusion temperatures, which varies, of course, by printer, as we all seem to know by now, that one printer does not print necessarily the same as another printer. Anyway, so nice little filament sample there. Then we have, looks like PLA chocolate from WYZWorks, W-Y-Z Works. So PLA chocolate extrusion temperature is, again, suggested. Good place to start, not necessarily correct. Tiance or Tiance, depending on how you want to pronounce this. I have used their filaments before. Be careful with them. I hate to say this. I had the red filament, which had a really bad segment of filament in it, which jammed my printer all to hell and caused me lots of problems. And it was during the time when I was trying to print some of the parts for Josh's giant alien. So there is that as well. The light looks like they call it cerulean, but I'd say it's like a baby blue to me. That's my opinion. And then there's 3D Passion, which gave a PLA Perfect Peach. And of course there are printing directions for it as well. Extrusion temperatures and bed temperatures and the like. And let's see, then there's, I guess this is a clamp for clamping down the pump. So that's probably part of the pump that was purchased. A little clamp here. So it would fit over the pump like so and clamp it down to whatever you're putting it into. So I don't know what we're making, what the plan is. I haven't looked up anything since there was no other details on the box. Like I said, the piece for inside was missing. His mom, as his mama alien, cleaned up. And of course, like everything, I tell everybody, don't touch my mess, you jam up my system. So obviously she touched his mess and jammed his system up. So that's pretty much everything that came in the box this month. I guess I'll go look on Alien 3D online and see what the project is. I guess I could do that right now while we're sitting here and I have you on the video here. Let me just put everything in front of the camera so you can see everything in one shot, maybe. So we've got 4 filaments, the pump, the booklet, and then the note and the sticker is what we got this month. This came all from Alien 3D for the month. So that's pretty much everything. Put the box back here out of the way. Let's see what Alien 3D had to say this month. Let's see, so Nick got the mothership. I'm not sure what Nick it is because it doesn't really say. It just says Nick got it. So Ashcan for the comic publication, and for providing the comic book. Dan at Alquiche 1 for designing 3D printable project parts. Mothership box this month. We talked about that. I'm trying to find what the project was because I don't see it here still. Coupon codes, JT sticker, the Old Monster comic book, filament samples, bonus accessory, and the project. So it's a water fountain. Is the project for the month is an alien water fountain. Let me hide my other 2 screens here so that you can see the desktop. So there's the projects for the month, and that pretty much has what we want. There it is. You can go and download the projects. The pump is already provided to you. So we can move down here. I guess there's a couple other ones you could do. Looks like a little water slide thing, which you can put your alien sitting in, which it shows here. So I guess a couple of different ones that you can do. So that's pretty much it for the month on this month. Look forward to next month. I'm firing up my Ender 3 Pro right now. Re-leveled my bed. Getting ready to try to print again the parts for my webcam that go on there, so I can do the nice, beautiful little time-lapse videos. So anyway, thank you for tuning in, and this was your UFO box for the month of April. So best wishes everybody, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good day.